Hello, this is KP Dharigaudar. I welcome you all to my YouTube classes. If you are not subscribed my channel, subscribe it, say like it, so that others can also learn. Okay, today I am giving you divisibility. Why we should learn divisibility? So that we can understand before division. So whether the number is divisible by any other number, you will understand immediately if you are known of these rules. So what are those rules? We have to understand. Say divisibility of 2. If the number ends in 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, that number is divisible by 2. Only thing you need to go for last digit, ones digit. See, this much is big number it is. This much big number it is. Whether it is divisible by 2, yes, I want to check it by 2. Either you can give calculator or else I need computer. No. With the mouth seeing, my eye can decide that. See? Yes, we have to go to check this last digit. Whether it is ended in any other digit from this list. Yes, it is ended in 6, so it is divisible by 2. Isn't it? Then if it is 7, human I can't read it. See. 6 crore 48 lakh 61,115 crore 67 lakh 19,667 is not divisible by 2 because it is not ended in any even number. 0 is not there, 2 is not there, end. In one's place there is no 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It is ends with 7. So this number is not divisible by 2. Okay? Whether it is this number is divisible by 2? Yes, because it ends in 0. Likewise, see, 10th is also same. If the number ends in 0, will be divisible by 10. So obviously, this number is ended in 0, so it is divisible by 10 also. For 5, what is that rule? If the number ends in 0 or 5, check whether last digit is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. See, here 0 is there, then it is also divisible by 5. See, whether it is divisible by 5? Yes, whereas it is not divisible by 10 and 2. Isn't it? All odd numbers are not divisible by even numbers. That rule also you have to. All odd numbers are not divisible by even numbers. Even numbers. This rule also you have to understand. All odd numbers are not divisible by even numbers because even into odd is odd. Even 4, odd 5. All odd numbers are what it is? Odd into odd is equal to odd. See, odd into odd is equal to odd only. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. This odd number is not divisible by 5 because Even into odd is also even into odd. 2 into 5 is also 10, and so even into even is also even. 2 into 4 is also 8. So all even numbers divide only even numbers, not odd numbers. Mind it. Okay, so this is not divisible by 2 and 10. This is ends in 5, so that number is divisible by 5 only, not by this. Then one more, this you understood when it is ended in 0, that say this is even number, it may divide by odd number. It may divide odd number by odd number, but if it is odd number, then you should not try by even number. Even number, say 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 6. Is there any number you got odd? So understood na? Then one more thing we understood, if the number divisible by 10, that number is divisible by 2 and 5. What are these 2 and 5? These are the factors of 10. So when the number is divisible by that number is divisible by those factors also. 2 and 5 are 10's factors, so the number will be divisible by 2 and 5 also. Then now we have to go for another rules. Another number, that is, now we can go for 3 and 9. See, 2 after 3 it will come. If the sum of the numbers, sum of the digits of the number divisible by 3, that number is divisible by 3. How you have to understand? 9 is also same. I will teach you later. If the sum of the digits of the number divisible by 3, that number is divisible by 3. See, already we know that numbers are formed by digits. These are the digits we use to write numbers. How many digits are there? They are 10, including 0. A to left, right 8. 0, 1 to 9, these are all digits. If digits are written according to place value, then we will get numbers. Even these digits are also written in the place value, then we will have, these are also numbers. Isn't it? Except 0. 0 is mentioned for, 0 is known as nothingness. So except 0, these are all numbers also and digits also. Signs of numbers. Yes, see. 3, 0, 4, 8, 5, 6, 7. This is what big number. Whether it is divisible by 3 or not, check it. Sir, give me this much big paper and this much big pen. No, without pen and paper you have to check it. Yes sir, I will check. Jadu. Yes, it is divisible. What jadu you made here is, what magic under this is, 3 plus 0 plus 4 plus 8 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to what? That number. 7, 15, 20, 26, 26 plus 7 is 33. 33 is in the table of 3. Isn't it? So this number is divisible by 3. 33, even this also you can do. This is, if you don't know, then 3 plus 3 is also 6. Then 6 is in the table of 3. Isn't it? Up to limit you can do. 3 tens are 30, we limited. Whereas 3 11s are 33. 3 12s are 36. 3 13s are 39. Like this numbers are there. See. 7, 8, 15, 20, 26. 26 plus 26 plus 7 is 33. So 33 is divisible by 3. So it is, this number is divisible by 3. Nothing magic under this number behind there. Simply you have to add this. This number is 30,48,567. This is formed by 3, 0, 4, 8, 5, 6, 7. Isn't it? And it is what kind of number? 8 digit number it is. 7 digit number. And it's these what digits are added here, and it is 33. So it is. And one more nearest rule, if you want to understand, that also I will teach you now. See, you added blindly, and if you want to make more easy, then what you have to do? You have to leave this 3, because already it is divisible by 3. It is obviously it is divisible by 3, because 3 1 is 3. Let it. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 is in the table of 3. 5. No. 6 is also divisible by 3. 5 plus 7, it is 12. 12 is also divisible by 3. Then it is divisible by 3. Okay? See. Magic. See. 1, 2, 3. It is divisible, because ascending order of any 3 number or 6 number or 9 number is divisible by 3. See, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are all divisible by 3. Ascending order of 3, 6 digit, 9 digit, 12 digit, all numbers are divisible by 3. See, 10, 11, 12. 1 plus 3 plus 3. 6 is divisible. Isn't it? Then 1, 2, 3 is divisible by 3. Any same number 3 times is divisible by 3. 1, 1, 1. 2, 2, 2. No. Don't go for 2. Eh? Yes. 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4. These are also any number written 3 thrice, 6 times, 9 times. They are also divisible by 3. Okay? More you know, you can comment in my comment box. Huh? Okay. Thank you. How the question will be asked here? If the number, if 4 dash 5, 7 is divisible by 3, then the digit in box will be, yes, digit in box will be, here A, B, C, D will be numbers. 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the numbers given, digits given. Which one? First you have to make 4 plus 5, 9 plus 7. It is 9 plus 7, it is 16. Isn't it? And 16 plus 3, 19 is not divisible. 16 plus 4, 20 is also not divisible. 16 plus 6, 22 is also not divisible. 16 plus 5, that is 21. So our answer is 3. Write the C alphabet in front of the same your question number, isn't it, in your main examination. This is C as answer. If you want to make it another easy, then 4 plus 5 already it is divisible. 7 needs from this number. 7 plus 3, 10 not. 7 plus 4, 11 not. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 is in the table of 3. Then over. Why it is not? 7 plus 6 is 13. No. Like this you can do. Okay? See, if the sum of the digits of the number divisible by 9, that number is divisible by 9. See, after 2, 3 is there, whereas you taken 2, 5 and 10 because we considered only last digit, whereas here we are considering what? Digits of the number. So 9 is also elder sister of 3. Okay? And if the number divisible by 9, then it is obviously divisible by 3 because 3 is the factor of, 3 is one of the factor of 9. Isn't it? 1 and 9 are also factors, whereas 9's main factor is 3. So if the number is divisible by 9, then it is divisible by 3 also. Okay? See here, same number I am getting. You have to add all this. Write neatly and legibly. Don't go for hurry. If numbers are written wrongly in hurry, they will give different meaning. So, say what kind of number it is? What is this number? 9,81,721. Add all these. 9 plus 8 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1. 9 plus 8 is 17, 18, 25, 27, 28. Its sum is 28. In 9's table is there 28? No. 27 is there. 1 is excess here. So it is not divisible by 9. Okay? If you want to make it more easy, then what you have to do is 9 is divisible by 9. Leave it. Don't add and take trouble. 8 plus 1, 9. Or leave it. 7 plus 2, 9. Leave it. What remained is 1. The remainder will be, if it is divided, remainder will be 1. So 9,81,721 is not divisible by 9. Okay? If it is given another number, nine crore 81,72,000, whether it is divisible or not. Yes. 9. Leave it. 9. Leave it. 9. Leave it. No, sir, we can't understand. We add it. 9 plus 8, 17, 18, 25, 27. 27 is in the table of 3. 0 makes no difference in addition. Isn't it? So 27 is in the table of 9. So 9 can divide 9,81,772,000. 9 crore 81,72,000 is divisible by 9. Without making any division, we done it. Okay? 9's 3 is a 9 na. So factor of 9 is 3. So If this factor also divides this. Same type of answers will be, questions will be asked as it was asked for 3 like this. And if 4 numbers will be given and which number will be divisible by 9 like this they are asking. Okay, now we have to go for 4 and 8. 4 and 8 we have to go. What is this 4 tells? If the number formed by last 2 digits, if the number formed by last 2 digits, if the number formed by last 2 digits, the number is divisible by, once again I will write, the number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by last 2 digits of the number. The number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by last 2 digits of the number divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Or else it should end with 2 zeros. Yes. What is this? If the number divisible by 4, if the number divisible by 4, if the number formed by last 2 digits of the number divisible by 4. What is this meaning? See, as you seen for 2, 5 and 10 only last digit, here now you have to check only 2 digits. You seen that only 1 digit for 2, 5 and 10. And here 2 digits you have to check. Say blindly. What this number is? 112 crore 34 lakhs 56,789 is that number. Whether it is divisible by 4. I told you, you should not take trouble because 4 is even number. You will not get any odd number in your even number table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24. All even number you got. You should not waste your time to check this. Okay? So then here if it is 80, whether it is divisible by 4 or not? Yes. If the number formed by last 2 digits is 80, this is divisible by 4. 4 20s is 80, isn't it? So entire whole number is divisible by Nakki by 4. Understood? Only last 2 digits you have to check. 80 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. 0 0. You 4 20s are 80. You 4 20s are 80. 4 20s are 8. So it is divisible by 3. If here it is 2, whether it is divisible by 4? Yes, check 82. I don't know. 4 2s are 8. 0. 2 remains not divisible, then remainder will be 2 only. When you divide it by 4, the remainder will be 2 only. So this is not divisible by 2. See, if here it is 2 zeros, then no need of division here. Simply you go for it is divisible by 4, because or else it should end with 2 zeros. Which number? If the number ended in 2 zeros, that number is divisible by 4. Okay? Understood now? No addition, nothing. Simply seeing 2 digits. Simply seeing 2 digits. If they are zeros, then no need of doing anything. Yes. Blindly you have to put this is divisible. And if it is 20, 92 if it is. Check it. 4 2s are 8. 1 remains. 4 3s are 12. Okay, this is divisible. If it is 12, 4 3s are 12. If it is 0 4, 4 1s are 4. If it is 16, 4 4s are 16. If it is 20, 4 5s are 20. If it is 36, 4 9s are 36. If it is 52, then divide it. 4 1s are 4. 3s are 12, 0. Yes, it is divisible by 4. Like this. Then, see, 8 we have to learn now. Which one? 8 we have to learn now. The number formed by divisible by 8, if the number formed by last 3 digits of the number divisible by 8. The number divisible by 8, if the number formed by last 3 digits of the number divisible by 8, or else it should end with 3 zeros. Okay? Upgraded part of 4 is 8's divisibility. If you added 4th one and understood, then no need of going for 8, isn't it? So here what we have to do is no need to check, because it is 8 is even number. This is odd. If it is even number, then check it. What you have to check? Here 3 digits you have to check. Is 112 divided by 8. 2 digits, 8 1s are 8, 3 remains, 8 4s are 32. But this is divisible by what? This entire number, we don't know how much it is. See, 111 crore 23 lakh 41,112. This much big number it is, without putting any commas. We can't even read also. This 112 is divisible by 8. So entire this number is divisible by 8. If it is ended in see 0, 120, you have to check. 8 1s are 8, 4 remains 40, 8 5s are 40. Yes. If it is another 0, then check 200. 8 2s are 16, 4 remains, 8 5s are 0. So 200 is also divisible by 8. If it is another 0, then no need of checking, because if the number ended in 3 zeros, that number is divisible by 8. No need of checking this. Okay, what you have to do is last 3 digits you have to check. Okay, and for 16 what you have to do? If you have to form that 16, 4 2s are 8, 8 need to check 2 digits, whereas 4 needs to check 2 digits, 8 3, 16 4. Here 4 zeros. The number is divisible by 16 if the number formed by last 4 digits of the number divisible by 16, or else it should end with 4 zeros, not 16 zeros. And for 32, you have to check 5 digits. For 64, you need to go for 6 digits. Like this, you can form n number of divisibility rules. Only 2 for 2, only 1 digit. See, hierarchy of this. This is only 1 digit, last digit. This is 2 digit. This is 3 digit, 4 digits, 5 digits. Okay? 6. Then now I am going, we finish it now. What are the divisibility rules? See, 2, 5, 10 we finished. Last digits we checked. 3, 9 we finished. What it is? Addition of digits. 4 and 8 we finished. Last 2 digit and this is 3 digit. Now what remains here is 6 and 7. Okay? All the numbers are divisible by 1. Isn't it? All the numbers are divisible by 1 because no need of checking divisibility rule for 1. Isn't it? And for 0 you should not go because 0 makes all 0 only. 1 lakh into 0 is 0 only. I made 1 lakh rupees property. When I am not there, that 0, Shiva comes and take me, then for me, my property, 1 lakh property is nothing, 0 only. If you built 1 lakh rupees house, earthquake comes, it will become 0 only. Like this it is. 0 is Shiva. 0. No need of divisibility. Only one rule. That is what? Any number multiplied by 0 is 0 only. Isn't it? 1 is same only. The number multiplied by 1 will be, product will be same number. Same number. 2 1s are 2. 30 zeros are 0. Yes, 6 and 7. Now we have to go 6. It has no its own divisibility rule. It is purchasing 2 and 3 because 2 and 3 are factors of 6. So I made one rule, that is the even number, first condition, the even number divisible by 3. For even number it is 2. The even number divisible by 3 will be divisible by 6, or else it should not end with no any other rule. Either you can same you can write it as the number divisible by 2 and 3, that number is divisible by 6. How you have to understand? See 15. Another 15 you can write. Whether this number is divisible by? No. First condition is even number it should be, and you should not try on 6 because it is not even number. Okay? Even it is divisible by 3. 5 3 is a 15. 3 5 is a 15. Isn't it? 15 plus 3 is 18. So it is divisible. Whereas, and 18 is also even number. Its sum, digit sum is 18. 18 is even. No. This should be even number. Understood? Then this is whatever kind of number you can take. Whether it is divisible by, yes. Now it is checkable number it is, because it is first condition the even number. Yes, it is even number. Whether it is divisible by 3 or not, check it. Not by 6, 3. 3, 15, 18 plus 2, 20 it is. Its sum is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 is 20. 20 is not in the table of 3. So it is not divisible by 6. When it is not divisible by 3, then it is not divisible by 6. Got? See. 6. Yes, it is ended in 6. No, it is even number. It is checkable by 6. Whether it is divisible by 3 or not, check it. Already it is up to 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 is in the table of 3. So it is divisible by 2 and 3. For 2, even number. For 3, its sum is 24. Then obviously it is divisible by 6. Okay. 6 has no its original rule, whereas it copied from 2 and 3. Combination of 2 and 3's divisibility rules to apply to 6. Okay. Then. Now, and 7 has no rule. It has rule, but very costliest rule. So we should not take that, learn that. So if for 7 what we have to do? You have to divide and check that whether it is divisible by 7 or not. Yes, so big number this much if it is given, whether it is divisible by 7 or not, to check you have to divide it. Now we have to go 11. 11 is also you cannot check. Huh? Okay, what it tells, first we have to understand. 9, 0, 8, 1, 6, 7, 6, 5. For 11, odd number is also okay, because 1 odd, 1 even, 1 odd, 1 even. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44. Like this, odd numbers also we can have in odd numbers table. See, what you have to do is, see, marking how I am doing. We can call these as odd place number. Odd place number. 1, 3, 5, 7, odd place number. See, these are all even place numbers. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth place, 6, like this. We have to add 9 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5. These are all odd place numbers. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 6, 23 plus 5 is 28. 11, 19 plus 9 is 28. And even place number is 0 plus 1 plus 7. Even place numbers. Sum of even place number is 8. Isn't it? Then you have to subtract it. This is 20. 20, whether it is 11's table or not, check it. 20 is not in the table of 11. So This number, what kind of number? 90,81,675 is not divisible. Then how can you write this rule? See, if the difference of the sum of odd place, first odd place 1 3 7 1 3 5 7 odd places, sum of odd place digits, sum of odd place and even odd place digits and even place digits is divisible by 11. Then 11 are 0 divisible by 11 are 0. That number is divisible by 11. See, another we have to check. This is also 7. Then add here 7. This will become what? 30. This is what? 8. This is here 22. 22 is in the table of 11. So 90,81,677 is divisible by 11. 11 2s are 22. Not because of last two digits are 77. That you have to mind. First you have to take odd place numbers, then even place numbers. Then odd place numbers are this 1 if it is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 100, 10,000, 10 lakh, like this odd places. Okay. Yeah. And another 0, what it is 0? We have to check it. See, 6, 1, 7, okay, then 9, 0, 3. See here, another 6, 1, this 0 I have to do. See, this digit 6 plus 7 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 30. I calculated and given it. 1 plus 9 plus 3 is equal to 13. 6 plus 7 is also 13, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3 is also 13, minus 13 is 0. So, this is also divisible by 11. If you want to check it. 61, 79, 0, 30. 11 5s are 55. What remains here? 6. And 7 you taken. 6s are 66, 1 remains. 1s are 11, 8 remains. 7s are 77, 3 remains. J, 3 you taken. 3s are 33, 0. Again 0 you are taking. G. 11 this much, this much. So divide without seeing, without checking. This can be done by anybody. Whereas whether it is divisible by all these, you should not do like this. Here only 6 plus 7, 13 plus 6 plus 7, 13 plus 0 plus 0, 13. Minus 1 plus 9, here you have to check. 30, 30 minus 13 is 0. Like this you can do. Okay, thank you. Thank you for learning this and watching my videos. As I told you previously, like it, like my videos and share it for others' benefit, so that Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The entire world will watch this video, because YouTube made us to share like that. So that you can, if you shared anybody, they are also can aware of that and learn. And subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed. Okay, thank you for learning. Thank you.